All right, folks, so sorry about that. I had to refilm, so there's stuff on it. But we're on number 7. Electronics store employees were asked to provide a random sample of TV screens and inches and the prices of the TVs. They just gave us the line of best fit. They gave us what X is, which is the screen size, and what Y is, which is the price of the TVs. Here's your line of best fit. It says, what are the slope and y-intercepts of the line of best fit? Or, excuse me, just y-intercept. Well, the number in front of X, since it's kind of already in slope-intercept form, we just kind of have to move this up front. But the number in front of X, which is the coefficient, is 11.32. That is our slope. Our y-intercept is going to be the other number, which would be negative 193.06. Slope, explain what the slope means in this context. Again, you can write that in some sentence form, but essentially it's basically saying that for every, excuse me, let me make sure I have this correctly written down. But the slope means that for every increase in the TV screen size by an inch, the price of the TV is expected to increase by $11.32. But here's the deal, though. The y-intercept is negative $193.06. Does it make sense? So it's asking at this point, does the y-intercept make sense? Does that make sense? Can I have a TV, first of all, that is 0 inches and cost me negative money? That does not make sense. So the y-intercept does not make sense in this case. And then when we want part B, we want how much a TV would cost with a screen size of 47 inches. All you're going to do is plug in this X into, we're going to plug that into our line of best fit. So where X is, we'd multiply 11.32 by 47, subtract 193.06, and then when you do that, you are left with $338.98. So again, if you're unsure where that came from, we basically just took this equation, and instead of the X, we have the 47, and then we put that in our calculator, and then we're done.